Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2016 Mini Cooper. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Hankook Optimo tires. Inside, leather interior. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back as well as dual point exhaust. 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen, that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mini Cooper on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.